The crude oil price has jumped 3.3% and gold 1% because of what happened in Israel over the weekend. The gold is the traditional refuge for investors in times of trouble, while the specific reason for the rise in the oil price is concerns about exports from Iran. The conflict doesn't directly threaten any oil supplies, but there's now suddenly a question mark over Iran, which Israel is blaming for the attack. Iran's oil exports have surged this year, as shown in the graph, because the United States has been forgetting about sanctions to offset the production cuts by Russia and Saudi Arabia. If the US joins Israel in blaming Iran for what Hamas is doing, it's likely the sanctions will be enforced again, cutting oil supplies. The share market went up today, not much, because of gains by gold and oil stocks like Newcrest, Evolution Mining, Woodside and Santos. Meanwhile, Qantas continued to tumble. Stocks in New York went up because US employment in September was much stronger than expected, and that caused another rise in the US 10-year bond rate to another 15-year high. The rise in long-term interest rates in the past 3 years around the world has been the equal biggest in history. And the Aussie dollar is down slightly at 63.5 roughly US cents. And finally, this graph appeared in the Reserve Bank's Financial Stability Review on Friday. It shows the percentage of borrowers who are going backwards. That is, their cost of living, including mortgage repayments, exceeds their income. It's up from 3% to 13% in 18 months. That's about 500,000 families who are underwater. And that's finance.